Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing Parmesan zucchini pizza boats. I love zucchini, super healthy. I love to garden. We always have too many zucchini growing and I always need new ways to use them up. This is a kid-friendly recipe. If you can get your kids to eat zucchini, anytime you throw pizza sauce and cheese on top, they give it a thumbs up. It's a great vegetable side dish that pairs with so many different dinner ideas. I will put the ingredients in the description below. Super easy recipe. Basically what I have done is I have cut two zucchinis. I took the ends off, cut it in half down the middle. So I've got two halves and I used a small ice cream scooper and kind of scooped out a little bit of the center to make a little bit of a boat. And you can use spaghetti sauce, pizza sauce, tomato sauce. I usually will just use the squeezed pizza sauce bottle, but I made another recipe yesterday and I have some tomato sauce left over, so I'm actually just going to use the tomato sauce and I am going to fill up my pizza boats here. You want to try to get your pizza boats to sit fairly even because you don't want the sauce and the cheese to slide right out. If you have some spinach or some cooked sausage, that would go great on these as well. Some pepperonis even, if you're trying to get the kids to eat them. That's pretty good. Let's just use up this sauce here. I kind of like them saucy. All right. And then we are going to put on some shredded cheese. You can use cheddar. I usually use mozzarella. I got a little bit of shredded Monterey Jack left over. We did stuffed chicken enchilada bell peppers the other day, and so I have a bunch of shredded Monterey Jack cheese left over, so I'm going to use that up first and then we'll go into shredded mozzarella. It really doesn't take a lot of cheese for these. It's not like you're making breadsticks or anything. The cheese is just a nice little complementary flavor to go on top. Sprinkle just a little bit more mozzarella on. You can do some Parmesan if you've got Parmesan. My husband likes spicy things, so I've been known to do some pepper jack cheese or habanero cheese. Ooh, that's some good stuff on there. Okay, and then we are going to sprinkle on some breadcrumbs on top. Just like so. Adds a little bit of flavor, a little crunch to the top. We're gonna put these in the oven at 375 degrees. Bake them for, I don't know, maybe 12 to 15 minutes. Kind of depends on your oven. You want the zucchini cooked and soft so that when you're cutting into it with your fork, it's really easy to cut into. Oh, I forgot. Let's grab the olive oil, do a little drizzle over the top. Just a little drizzle. Doesn't take a whole lot, friends. All right. Perfect. We're going to throw it in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done or ready to serve. Here are the zucchini boats. These are going to be so tasty. Thank you all so much for watching and liking this recipe video. Be sure to subscribe so you get all of our awesome, easy recipes that you can make at home, and we'll see you next time.